Hello everyone, you are watching Loktantra Bharat and Jharkhand TV. Today I am on a trip to Birni block of Grady district, and presently I am inside a classroom of a reputed English medium school of this area. Present time I am in village Panchayat Kendwa, and a famous board of this village Panchayat is nearby from here. Kubri Moor, and this school is located near Kubri Moor. I am inside class 10 presently, and you can see the students on your screen. Look at them. The students are sitting here. The class is full of the students. Girls and boys are studying here. They are sitting separately. The English teacher is presently inside the classroom, and he is with me here. He has told me that he was to teach narration to the students when I reached here. Let's talk to the English teacher of this school, and through him try to collect the information about the academic standard of this school. Please come close. Sir, you are welcome on our channel. Since how long this school has been running here?
Sir, this school has been running since 2007.
You tell me first, what is the name of this school?
Sir, its name is Nehru Public High School, Kubri Moor.
Nehru Public High School. All right. What do you teach? English?
Yes, sir.
All right. How important is English for the students of modern era?
Sir, I think at modern time there is most important language English. It is a universal language. I can say it is universal.
Definitely.
Language.
Actually, you are saying that English is universal language in all the corner of the country. This language can be spoken, right? The thing is that you were to teach narration to the students.
Yes.
What is narration?
Narration, that means anything anyone says something.
All right. Let's talk to some of the students of this school now. So earlier I was talking to the teacher of this school, and he was giving the answer of my questions. Now student of class 10 is with me here. Let's talk to him. What's your name?
Prem Kumar Yadav.
Prem. From where you are? Argo. How far is Argo from here?
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers away. 2 kilometers away, your village is from here. How do you come from there to study?
Cycle.
By bicycle. What you want to be in future?
My dream IT is not my dream, it's my love.
All
I
right.
take engineering in IT only.
You want to be an engineer. All right. Do you play sports?
Cricket, that's my favorite play.
Cricket is your favorite game.
Yes.
Who is your favorite cricketer? Who is your favorite cricketer?
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma. And talking about subjects, which is your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Well done. Sit down. How old are you?
15 years old.
15 years. What is your father?
My father is working in Mumbai.
In Mumbai. Do you come to the school daily? Why do you come to the school daily?
For study.
For study. Do you follow the discipline? Which is your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Well done. The students of this school, I will talk to some girls students of this school also. Let's talk to them, and please come close first. What's your name?
My name is Rita Kumar.
Rita, how old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Is it your first school, or before this you were studying somewhere else?
It is my first time.
First school. It means you are studying in this school from nursery.
Yes, I am reading from nursery.
What is the name of the principal?
My principal name is Lesber.
Mithilesh Verma. You come close, come this way, come. Keep focus on the students, right? What is the name of the principal?
My principal name is Mithilesh Verma.
Are you satisfied with the academic standard of this school?
Yes.
Is there any kind of problem to you?
No, I have no problem.
Is the basic facilities for the students available in the school?
Yes, very facilities available in
Available.
this school.
All right. Are you happy?
I am very happy.
Do you come to the school daily?
I am coming always for the school.
All days. What you want to be in future?
I want to be a police in my future
Police.
Yes.
Why you have chosen it?
because it is my dream.
It is your dream.
Yes.
Well, all right. I'm very happy that you were talking to me. Now I will talk to one more student of this school. The students to whom I talked gave the answer of my question very, very confidently and correctly. We are very pleased. Before talking to her, I would like to say to clap once for the students who have talked to me for the encouragement of them. Clap everyone for them. Let's talk to the another students of this school. You may sit now, and you are welcome. What's your name?
Neelu Verma.
Neelu. From where you are?
I am from Chitarna.
How old are you?
I am 14-year-old.
Since how long you have been studying in this school?
From 3 years.
Who's your favorite teacher of this school?
Mithilesh sir.
Why his favorite?
Because he is a very very intelligent
He's a very intelligent person.
person. He also teaches us all types of question, all subjects.
He teaches you best.
Yes.
That's why you like him, best.
He teaches us all types of question, all subjects, all basics too. I start from basic.
Talking about other teachers, Mithilesh sir is your favorite, okay? But talking about the other teachers, how are they?
They are very better.
They are good.
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied? Are you happy coming this school for the study?
Yes, sir.
How
I am
much?
very happy. I am.
What you want to be in future?
I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. Which is your favorite subject?
Science.
Science. Spell the word science.
SCIENCE.
You want to be a doctor in future. Which type of doctor? There is category of doctors.
MBBS surgeon.
MBBS. You want to be MBBS surgeon. Can you full form the word MBBS?
Bachelor in medical and surgery. And
Bachelor of Medical, Bachelor of Surgery. Very nice. I'm pleased the way you have talked to me and the way you have given the answer of my questions. Not only you, but all the students of this class to whom I asked, they have listened to me well. They have answered all of my questions very confidently, and I am pleased. Very good, and I will pray for your bright future.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down. So you saw that I was talking to the students of this school, and before talking to the students of this school, I talked to the principal of this school, who is the English teacher of here. And the environment, the academic condition, and the standard of this school can be understood very, very easily now. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद इब्राहिम अंसारी, मैं नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल के निर्देशक, ग्राम कुवरी, पंचायत केंद्र, ब्लॉक बिरनी, जिला गिरिडीह का रहने वाला।
विद्यालय आपका कब से चल रहा है?
विद्यालय 2007।
2007 से। इस विद्यालय में वर्तमान समय की अगर बात की जाए तो कुल कितने विद्यार्थी अध्ययनरत हैं? 600। और इन 600 बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए विद्यालय में कितने शिक्षकों की नियुक्ति की गई है? 22 शिक्षक जो विद्यालय में अभी कार्यरत हैं, क्या ये सभी प्रशिक्षित हैं?
प्रशिक्षित है, सभी बीएड है, डीएलएड है।
बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा मिले, इसके लिए आप क्या कुछ अलग और विशेष प्रयास कर रहे हैं एक निदेशक के तौर पर?
विशेष मिले इसलिए कि हम लोग हर समय प्रयास करते हैं कि इसको बेहतर शिक्षा मिल पाए। जहाँ तक रही थोड़ी खेल कूद की भी हम लोग देने का प्रयास करते हैं कि खेल कूद से विकास भी, शिक्षा का भी विकास होगा और बच्चों का भी मन लगा रहेगा।
मैं मिथिलेश कुमार वर्मा, नेहरू पब्लिक हाई स्कूल कुबरी मोड़ का प्रधानाध्यापक।
आप इस विद्यालय में बतौर प्राचार्य या प्रिंसिपल कब से काम कर रहे हैं?
सर, मैं प्राचार्य के पद पर 2013 से कार्यरत हूँ।
बच्चे जो यहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं, उन्हें शिक्षा के लिए अच्छा माहौल और इन्वायरमेंट मिले, इसके लिए बतौर प्रिंसिपल आप किस तरह से प्रयास कर रहे हैं?
ये ग्रामीण सुदूर क्षेत्र है सर, जहाँ सारी सुविधाएं तो अवेलेबल नहीं हो पाता है, लेकिन जहाँ तक है हम लोग प्रयास करते हैं कि उसे गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा दे पाऊं, अच्छे माहौल दे पाऊं, एक अच्छी नैतिकता दे पाऊं।
विद्यालय में आपके बच्चे जो है वो चूंकि ये उच्च विद्यालय है, बालक और बालिकाएं यहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं, तो क्या विद्यालय प्रबंधन के द्वारा बच्चों के लिए यहाँ पर जो मूलभूत सुविधाएं होनी चाहिए, शौचालय, पेयजल, ये सभी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हैं?
जी जी।
शिक्षा की अगर बात की जाए सर, तो यहाँ पर बच्चों को क्या विषयवार शिक्षा दी जाती है?
जी, कक्षावार और विषयवार शिक्षक हैं हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं, और सभी विषय के लिए अलग अलग प्रशिक्षित शिक्षक हैं।
वर्तमान समय की अगर बात की जाए तो कई महत्वपूर्ण विषय होते हैं। मुख्य रूप से अगर बात की जाए तो गणित, विज्ञान, कंप्यूटर या फिर और दूसरे जो महत्वपूर्ण विषय हैं, वो क्या उन सभी विषयों को भी यहाँ पढ़ाया जा रहा है?
जी जी।
ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट की अगर बात की जाए तो इसके लिए विद्यालय की तरफ से क्या सुविधा बच्चों को दिया जा रहा है? खेलकूद को बढ़ावा मिले, बच्चे खेलकूद के क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़े, इसके लिए क्या प्रयास कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
जी, मैं किसी अन्य विद्यालय के साथ अटैच करके और अलग अलग तरह के मैचेज, जैसे क्रिकेट मैच हो गया, फुटबॉल मैच हो गया, वॉलीबॉल के लिए हम लोग प्रयत्नशील रहते हैं। और इस प्रकार से जिस तरह से एक मानसिक विकास के लिए जो होना चाहिए उसके लिए प्रयत्नशील रहते हैं।